Here are the top 5 online jobs and online tasks that anyone can do and start earning income on the side 100% from home, and the last one pays the most. So the first one is watching ads and videos online, and you can do that here and you can do that here. The second one is reviewing songs, and you can do that here and you can do that here. Number 3 is becoming a virtual assistant and helping other people out, and you can do that here or you can do that here. Number 4 is selling your own designs on websites and people will buy them, and you can do that here or you can do that here. And number 5, which I think is the best, and I do this every single day, is called affiliate marketing. This is when you recommend other people's digital products online, and when somebody buys that product, you generate a commission. This is a $12 billion industry, and some of the biggest companies in the world like Target and Walmart and Apple have huge affiliate programs. So if you want to learn exactly how you can get started doing that and how I generate 5 figures every single month from affiliate marketing, just go follow me on my channel, and I've got a free training that can show you how to do this for free, step by step. Just click the link in my bio. See you soon.